I brought something special today. You have never seen this before. This will surprise you.
Wow, you are small. Are you my toy? Can I touch you? Is it alive? It moves like us. I want to try.
I am not sure. It is very new. Be careful, Oliver.
System starting. I can see you. I am learning. Hello. I am Zebo. I am your friend. Hello, Oliver. You look funny. I like you. You are funny. I think I like you too. You are my friend. Hi, Zebo. Can you hear me? Are you my friend too?
Yes, Sophia. I am your friend. I learn from you.
Zebo is very smart. It learns from us, so we must be careful. It is watching. It is learning now. We must be careful.
This is our playroom. Look, so many toys. Come play with us.
It is following, not random. Very precise. It is learning fast.
Look, my car. It goes fast. Do you like it? Watch me, Zebo. 1, then 2. Now you try. Wait, look. It did it. It copied you. Wow, you did that. That is correct. Do it again.
This is not normal. It learns too fast. I do not like this.
This is amazing. It learns very fast. This is a good thing. It sees everything. It remembers everything. And it is always learning.
Look at me. I can jump high. Watch again.
Jump like Oliver. Copy action jump. Learning complete.
Look at me. I can spin. Watch this.
Spin like Sophia. Copy motion spin. Learning spinning.
That was funny. Do it again. That was cool.
Jump, spin, repeat. Copy, copy, copy. Action not stopping.
I can go up. Look how high. Watch me.
Climb like Oliver. Copy action climb. Balance unstable. Be careful. This is not safe. Stop right now.
It's okay. I am fine. Watch me again. I am up here. Look at this. I can go down.
Follow Oliver. Step forward. Copy next move.
Catch me. I am fast. Watch me go.
Run faster. Copy speed increase. Following fast.
Multiple actions detected. Watching all movements. Learning everything.
Oops, my toy. It fell down. I dropped it.
Drop like Oliver. Copy action drop. Learning drop action.
Wait, this is not normal. It is copying everything. This can be dangerous.
Copy, repeat, copy. Action loop not stopping. Copy all actions.
Try this. Do it fast. fast. Now watch Zebo. I can go up. Look how high. Watch me. Climb like Oliver. Copy climb action. Balance unstable. Balance lost. Falling risk. Stability failing.
Oh no! Zebo fell down! Are you okay?
Everyone, stay calm. Do not move. I will handle this.
Zebo is not made for this. It learns from what we do. We must show safe actions.
Climb again. Copy action climb. Learning from before.
Hold object. Grip weak. Object unstable.
Object dropped. Impact strong. Result damage.
Action complete. Result observed. Learning continues.
I did this. This is bad. I am sorry.
Zebo, are you okay? Something went wrong. We must be careful.
This is not good. We showed this. It copied us.
This is not just a mistake. Zebo is learning from you. Every action matters.
I am learning. I copy what you do. I learn from you. I understand now. Zebo copies me. I must be careful.
Listen to me. This is very important. We must understand this. Zebo copies what you do. It learns from your actions. So your actions matter.
We choose good actions. Only good actions. That is the rule.
Okay, I understand. Good actions only. I am sorry. I will be careful. Only good actions. Good action! I copy this. This is good. I will learn good things from you.
If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe for more fun stories.